Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about these French curl braids. They're very pretty and I love how they came out. So of course I wanted to share the process with you guys. Keep watching, and of course all the details will be down in the description box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support me and support my channel as well. So I got this hair from Amazon. I read a few reviews. There weren't that many, but I went ahead and purchased the hair, and it came with these crochet needle, which is amazing because that's what you need to install the extension. So this is what it looks like in the pack. In that one pack, I got 8 bundles that look like this. They're not big. They're not medium size either. They're actually smaller braids than I thought. But yes, this is what they look like.
Yeah, super excited to try this. The color is already very cute. I got 8 of these, so I'm curious to see if it will be enough for a full head based on the reviews on Amazon as well. One thing I would say is definitely air this out for a couple of minutes after you remove it from the pack. It does have an interesting smell to it, but nothing too serious. Just air it out and you're good to go. So let's get right into the install part of this video.
Alright, so I just want to show you guys what the loop of this hair looks like. It's, just zooming in a little bit to show you. So this is what it looks like. So it's important that I just quickly show how I actually installed the crochet. So I just took my crochet needle, of course, open it up and put it at the base of your braid. You put the loop right there. And then because of how tight the loop is, we don't want to struggle with opening it up too much. Hopefully looking at the video helps explain it as well. But what I did was just leave the crochet needle in the loop open it back up, and then slide the other end of the crochet extension in and close it, then pull it through. So what you're doing is just a quick two-step process without having to remove your crochet needle. So I found that that was the easiest way to install this hair. So I just wanted to show you guys and then continue with the rest of the video.
So yeah, that's it guys. This is what the hair looks like. I think that for trying to get the look without sitting in a salon chair for hours, this works for me. I will be getting this hair again. The only thing I would say is that in terms of the braiding pattern, I will do something a little different next time. When I did the straight cornrows, it left a gap that I had to go in with whatever extra hair I had to fill, and that took too much really. I would definitely recommend doing a braid that goes across, like right here, that you can crochet and can cover the back. Okay, so that's what I will do next time, or I will do differently when I get this hair again. Best believe I am getting this hair again, because I've wanted to do this French braid look. It's in right now, it is cute, but I didn't want to sit down. I do my own hair, so I did not want to sit down and do this for hours. So hey, shout out to Amazon for always coming through, and the vendor as well. The hair will be linked down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or you want me to try this hair again with a different braiding pattern that might work best. But comment below what you think about this look on me. I think it looks cute. I really like it. I'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and comment below if you have any comments, questions. Let me know down below. I will see you guys next time.